Good morning, guys. I am exhausted. My daughter had a horrible, well, not too bad. Okay, it wasn't horrible, but not the best night's sleep. My husband just took her downstairs. He's actually off today. I'm gonna make some breakfast. It is negative 10 degrees here in Chicago. Love that for us. So obviously we're not going anywhere. Yeah. We're lucky that he's actually off today for a holiday. But yeah, so join me on this, I guess, snow day, winter storm day. Supposed to snow a whole bunch and it barely did. So yeah, this sun is sunning, like it looks nice on my skin. I knew that. I look exhausted, but it's working. But yeah, let's get on with today.
All right, we always start out the day with some coffee and milk, obviously, for my daughter. I didn't realize it till later on, but I accidentally used the wrong milk for her, so I switched it if you didn't notice a little clip. And here I am putting the eggs and then a little bit of milk and salt and pepper and whisking it. And I am going to make some French toast. Use a half a stick of butter there and wait until it melts. And then go ahead and do what you do with French toast. I almost burned them, but that was because my husband had to run to the garage. So yeah. And then here I am cutting my daughter's little piece. She ate half of it. These dishes are not all from breakfast. I did have some in there from last night. So enjoy watching me wash dishes. And before we go on, please don't forget to click that like button if you haven't already. Leave a little comment down below for me. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and thank you guys for being here and watching my videos. I appreciate it. My toddler came in and said I need to wear the Jessie hat. So here I am. I did my makeup using some Juvia's Place stuff. I tried the concealer again today and I don't love it, guys. Like, this guy. I don't love it on myself. I've seen it on other people and I've used it on customers and I like it. But on myself, it's just like, it doesn't do it. This is so pigmented. I'm gonna try this one tomorrow because it is almost pretty much identical when you actually swatch it next to each other, and I kind of like the texture of this one more, but we will see. And I have this a little bit in the inner corner and I did use it as my highlight and applied a little bit of powder over it to set it into place. Love the color of this one, so I'm so happy I have it. This and the foundation so far looks good. I don't know why I have such a hold on this freaking foundation. If you've never tried it, $14 Ulta, I love it, it's amazing. But I don't hate it. I do like it and the color's really nice too. But that is what I have on. I forgot that I even had this lip liner. This lip liner again is from Juvia's Place, and this one is in So Rare, and then the lipstick is in Vogue, which is a very, very peachy nude, which looks nice. I usually don't wear any lipstick though, so don't think I even powdered my face. Again, guys, I don't wear foundation. I haven't been wearing foundation, only powder foundation and concealer. So that is what I have on. I did use today again the brow sculpt from Winklick. This is like my 4th time, and this time I actually really like it. The first two times I hated it. The 3rd time I was like, okay, I kind of get it, it's kind of working for me. And then this last time I was like, yes. Oh my gosh, I have mascara right here. I was like, yes, that is it. I love it. And then I used my mascara that I talked about in my last video, which is the Broken & Bailey's Lash Next Door. I like this mascara. Let me try to take this out. But yeah, that is my face. My daughter's talking to my in-laws. They just came back from Mexico. I'm like, you guys were in 80-degree weather yesterday in the pool, and today you are freezing your butts off in negative 10 to negative 7 degrees. Welcome back to Chicago, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit, put stuff away. I feel like I need to declare my makeup again, guys. yeah. Before we continue on with this video, please don't forget to like. Some of you guys actually forget to like the video and leave a comment down below. Actually leave this emoji down below so I can know that you are paying attention. All right, so now I'm gonna get dinner started. It is 1 o'clock already, and I really do like this wing like brow thing right now. I'm like loving it. But yeah, so I'm gonna start dinner, getting it ready. Hopefully my toddler lets me. We took out the gate that was there because she's being really good with being patient. But of course, the last 2 weeks after she got sick, she literally has been running after me and holding my leg like trying to cook. No matter who's here, my husband or my mom, it's just really stressful. So hopefully she lets me actually cook, because this dinner actually does take a while to bake in the oven. So let me get everything out. This is honestly one of my go-to meals. I've showed it before, I believe. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys in other video, but I did add bell peppers to it. This time I honestly just add a whole bunch of veggies to a pan, and they are all gonna bake in the oven. So here I am just chopping up the bell peppers, onions, and the carrots. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash the broccoli and the cauliflower. My daughter actually ate a little bit of everything today. So I am so happy that I chose to make this, because, you know, sometimes toddlers don't want to eat anything. So I'm so happy that she actually ate a little bit of everything today. You know, and then do this. Oh my God, this is so cringy to watch. I'm so sorry. I'm always so scared that I'm going to cut myself. I use potatoes today. I don't always do it. I don't know, it's just preference, but I only used half of the bag that you guys saw there. Use the seasoning that you prefer. I use the most basic seasonings: paprika, sazon, adobo, salt and pepper, and paprika. And then I'm going to go ahead and fry them. I like them to be a little bit browned before I actually put it in the oven. So the same seasonings, I'm actually going to go ahead and apply it with water, and I mix it. And then I go ahead and mix the veggies with the same seasonings as the meat, and they taste delicious. Poke a couple holes in that, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. I put it for 30 minutes while I flip the chicken drums. You could also use chicken thighs. It tastes amazing with that. So once I did that, I give it a nice mix, and then I put the chicken right on top to finish baking in the oven for 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Honestly, your preference. All right, so the food is in the oven. I have rice going as well for my daughter. I think I'm gonna have a salad with my chicken and veggies, but I gotta wait a good 1.5 hours for it to cook really well. But yeah, that's it. I'm so hungry. Quick little check-in. So I'm gonna eat mine with a salad. So I got this salad at Aldi. It's an avocado ranch chopped salad kit, and it comes with avocado dressing, avocado ranch dressing, bacon bits, and cheese. If you guys didn't know, I actually can't have corn. The pain I feel when I eat corn will send me to the hospital. So yeah, garbage. I forgot to show it, but I did put half a stick of butter on top of the chicken, so it could be nice and juicy. So I'm eating the salad with the side of the veggies, and then my husband and my daughter are eating basically everything, but hers is cut up, obviously, and yeah, they want rice. So I'm trying to eat healthier. Having a toddler means she says she's all done with her food, her dinner. So I'm tossing it. It's not a lot, but everything's been picked. So right for her to come and say 5 minutes later, un poquito rice, bro. So you know, dad just came and served her more rice. So let's eat that. But I do have leftovers, mainly veggies right here, and 2 chicken drums, which I'm gonna go ahead and put away, and then we're gonna clean up this kitchen, and then I'm gonna edit this video so I can have it up for you guys today. It's Thursday for you guys. All right, here I am putting away the leftovers. I'm most likely gonna eat the leftovers. My husband's not a fan of leftovers, which is fine. But here I am washing the dishes. Girl, I'm so tired of washing dishes sometimes. Seriously. All right, guys, I just cleaned up that. I feel like I need to get rid of that stool that my daughter will not sit on. so that I can actually use it for what it's supposed to be used for. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is only actually 5 o'clock, but it's already getting dark and I want to spend time with my baby and my husband, watching TV most likely, and playing and running around. So yeah, this is basically what I do. On a snow day, I'm a stay-at-home mom. This is my life. I literally cook, clean, take care of my baby. Cook, clean, take care of my baby. And I pay the bills even though he's the one that makes the money. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!